What's up, YouTube? GR Scratcher back again for another scratch session. I'm gonna be having one of those Jigsaw Jeff moments at this time. So you'll be seeing these green pills. What these are? These are vitamins actually, which I take. And be like, all right, Jim, what's going on with these vitamins? Why are these vitamins on top of these scratch card tickets? As Jigsaw Jeff would say. Well, I decided that since I got this green ticket, this green big Emerald Sevens ticket underneath, and I saw that the pills that I take are green, I'm like, why don't I try scratching with these pills? See if that'll work. So we're gonna give this a try, my friends. Alright, so what we'll do is start off with the two. We're gonna give these vitamins a try. So you can see they make a sort of a funny noise. I did scratch the barcode on this to see what's going on. Let's see if this works. Oh my god. Hey man, this stuff scratches really good. We're looking for a 10 here, didn't get it. Not bad at all. Pretty good scratching tool. 50, no good. We're looking for 20 here. The odds on these are for 1 and 4.41. Those are the prizes to be won. Looking for matches. 25 and a 36. Pretty darn good scratcher. 22, no good. 39, no good. 23, no good. 28, no good. 19, no good. 34, no good. 17, nope. And a 37. Well, this one's a bust. Let's go to the next one. Doesn't look like these vitamins are working. Maybe get some more power on these vitamins here. Alright. Here we're looking for 26 and a 15. Hopefully the vitamins will come through. 24 is no good. 25 is a one-off. 29. 27 is another one-off. 17, no good. 19 is no good. 21 is no good. 28, no good. It's all down to the bonuses on this one. Come on, vitamins, you gotta come through. Let's see if we can get a 20 here. 60, no good. See if we can get a 10 here. And we got a 10. Alright, guys. That's a €10 win on a €2 ticket. Not bad. This is the second one I've gotten in the last couple days. These 10s are really coming out for me. Didn't get a win underneath, but I got the 10 spot, so that's fine. €10 back. We spent 2, 4, and 5, 3 is 7, and 5, 12. Got 10 back out of 12, so this will be a pretty good session. Let's see what we'll get on this. Here we're looking for matching numbers game, 3 numbers at the top. There's a 3x for 3 times the win, and a jackpot for a win all. Odds on these are 1 in 4.28, and those are the prizes to be won. So let's give this one up. We're looking for 23, 25. It's not working too well on this one. And an 8. Yep. So we're looking for a 23, a 25, and an 8. Nope. 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 Looks like this one's a bust also. So it's all down to the big kahuna. This is a €5 ticket. It's called Emerald 7's. We're looking for here on this ticket, as you can see here at the bottom, we're looking for a black 7 for a win, a green 7 for a 2 times win, and an emerald for a 10 times win. Besides that, it is a matching numbers game. Got 4 numbers here to match, and then all these numbers on the top, we can either match the numbers here out of the 4 or a 7 or an emerald. The odds on these are about 1 in 4, 1 in 3.8, somewhere there. It doesn't say on the back. And there is a €500,000 top prize on this one. Alright, so let's see what we can find here. Alright, we're looking for a 25, a 2, a 10, and a 17. Start at the top. Oh, we got a 7 off the back, guys. Alright, that's good stuff. 7 off the bat. And a 17. Got 2 matches, guys. Got the 17 here, and a 7 and a 17 here. I think this might be a win-all. Holy cow, 2 matches off the bat. Got an 8? No. Oh, there goes our chances for a win-all. Don't got a 4, got a 2. 14, no good. Oh, another 7, guys. These pills are really working out good. I think the vitamins have gone through to the ticket and giving us some wins. That's 3 wins. 5, no good. 15, no good. 1, so 1 off. No 9s. 23 is no good. Nope, no 22. No 13. No 19. Got 3 matches so far. Let's see what's at the bottom. And an 11. So no match there. So from what I see, we've got the 2 7s up here and the 17 for a match. So we've got 3 matches here, guys. I guess this is probably, I think the minimum on this is a $5 win. There's nothing under $5 unless it's 2 2s and a 1 for a break even. So, well, let's see what these vitamins will get out for us. Let's scratch off the first. Let's do the 17 first. Scratch on the end. Alright, I like where this is heading. Oh, that's a 10, man. Alright. That ain't bad. That's a 10. Not bad. So, let's see what's in here. Another 10. No, that's a 5. So 10 and 5 is 15. And another 5. So that's a $20 win. €20 win. Not bad. €20 on a €5 ticket. Not bad at all. Looks like the vitamins have been working, guys. Maybe I'll scratch with these more often. The vitamins been good to give us some wins on this green ticket. Plus the other 10 we got here. So that's 10 and 20, €30, guys. €30 back on 12. That's another winning session. All right. Well, guys, if you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And shout out again to Jigsaw Jeff. This is part of his idea. We're going to start scratching with some weird things from time to time. I find it kind of hilarious when he does it. And since we won again, we'll be back with more scratchers. Keep our channel going, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comment on the channel, comment on whatever you want if you want to see something. We can also do tickets for you from our country if you like some of these 5s or 2s. There's also €10 tickets. Whatever you want, you can PayPal me the money. I'll leave the PayPal address in the description below. And we'll just keep on scratching, guys. Take care.